What? 1 million subscribers already? That table is awesome. So I've been trying to make my working space a bit more convenient for quite some time now. And one of the solutions is to get a little nice shelf here just to put everything which is not used that often maybe, or just needs a place to be. As you can see, it's quite a lot of things here. Just a place where basically I can store my stuff for video recording, editing and daily work as well. For that purpose, I bought a wooden shelf. So this is what I got. A really nice wooden Natura wooden shelf. I must say that looking through the package on it, I see that the edges are very rough, so basically the wood is not smoothened very well. So it's definitely something which I will take care of with my Ryobi hand palm sander. And I think I will add some extra touches to the wooden shelf to make it match my working station just a bit better, because my working station has black legs and a oak finish on it. So yeah, let's get this unpacked. What do you know? It's manufactured in Spain and it's made from pine wood. So that's how it should look like after assembly. One of the crucial components is keeping myself warm in winter. Maximum power. While sanding, I got the nice essence and the smell of fresh Spanish pine wood in my nose. And I figured, what could be better than a nice piece of Spanish jamón? Hola, España! Please don't judge the technique of my cutting. One more. It's so good. I mean, now let's go back to work. Now the next step is to treat the shelf with some oil. Let's get on. A small change of plans, because the transparent oil is leaving the pine quite bright, I would say. And I would like to get it a bit darker to match it better with the oak which I have on my working table. I will mix two oils. A darker shade, so it's like a brownish oil, and I will mix these two together to get a bit more color to the surface. Now for the legs of the shelves, I have my black paint, which is exactly the same paint I used for my working desk, because it's also made by me, so it's a custom-made thing. So that's the paint. Okay, the painting process is complete, and to be honest, I really don't like painting at all. I don't know why, but I'm just getting so frustrated while painting, because probably of the mess, which basically painting brings with it. Or maybe I'm just a bad painter, I don't know. Anyhow, these will dry during the night. These will also dry during the night, and we'll see you in the morning. Oh, nice. All right. Let's get this thing here without any further ado, because this video is quite long already for this kind of job. On the other hand, public watching hours is also a very good thing on YouTube, but I will spare you the time and just make it happen really fast, like now. Well, it's again the next day here, and yesterday I promised to you that I will install the shelf right away, basically. Well, as with all good plans, sometimes they do not work out the way they were intended to work out. So while fastening the shelf, I discovered that there is another shelf above it, the one in white color. And after painting the new shelf and looking at my workstation, it seemed that it doesn't match the whole style anymore. So what I did is you know how some projects tend to last much longer and involve much more purchases and modifications or additions compared to the plan you had in mind before starting it all? Yeah, that's the case with me. Because in addition to adding the new shelf right here and repainting the old shelf, I figured that I should upgrade my working chair and my working table. So let's start with the first box. I got some cable organizers, and the cable organizer things beneath the table, a new power extender. Oh, what do you know? And I got some free goodies. And I got 2 chocolates. Yay! So this is an electrically powered table frame, which has memories, which has different settings, and it will allow me to work in a standing position, which is obviously very convenient if you work for quite some time. And this is the tabletop. Let's get to the assembly. I guess something is going on here. Ooh. So because I'm planning to use this table in the standing position, I need to adjust it and all the wires actually underneath it based on the height which I will be using it at. Okay, now that's a beginning of something. So far, I would say quite okay. Okay, now the table is almost ready, plus minus some minor adjustments are left, but it's looking quite okay. Now I need to figure out how to set up the router. The power outlet should be run to the speaker and also for the printer. So I'm figuring that I will put this extension somewhere around there and connect everything there and tuck it up nicely. Well, not the best solution at this moment, but I think it will do the job right now. now I think that the table alignment is kind of ready. I even placed the cup holder already in the correct position. There's a cup missing, but okay. Now I think I will move to the part where I will clean up everything and put the chair in place. Now look at that beauty. Isn't a nice ergonomic working chair? It's coconut or something. Okay, just kidding. It's not a working chair. It's a chair from another project, so let's bring in the new chair. Oh. Okay, I think it's now finally time to end the video, because otherwise I will be repainting all the walls in this video. So thank you for watching the video. If you liked it, subscribe, share, comment, do whatever you like basically. And as always, see you in the next one. Cheers. Whoa, I got a bit dizzy.